What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a bug zapper. Now on this channel, y'all know I review solar bug zappers. I review bug zappers that plug into your outlet, and in this one it's a little bit different. This one is USB powered, but not just that, this is a built-in battery. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into it, and before I unbox it, I'm just going to give you all a little bit of specs right here. This thing has a 2200 milliamp battery. The LED light usage is up to 30 hours for the bug zapper and 4 to 20 hours of the LED light. And we will be testing that tonight to see how bright the light is. And before I unbox this, I want to say, if you want this bug zapper is on a website called Wazintern. I will put the website here so y'all can see the website, and then I will put the website in the description. This is a Dartwood product. Alright, it says it right there, Dartwood. And on this website they have a whole bunch of cool home products, smart products, all that stuff. The website is cool, so I will put a link in the description, and let's go ahead and get into it. I like this design. It's a pretty cool design. Now there you go. Have the little grids in the middle. This is waterproof also, you guys. So here goes your little waterproof shield to cover your USB charger. They have an indent where you can stick your nail if you have any nails, and pull that out. Lift that up. We didn't need instructions for this. Alright, you have your power button. You hit the power once, the light come on. More light, and then that's it. And then this side should be your shocker. So your grid comes on, your grid goes off. So this is only a off and on thing, and that's it. I did get my USB. I got my brush, which everyone should have. Oh, okay. This is pretty cool. So this is rubber right here, so this is not glass. And of course you get your instructions. This will tell you your light source power. Press once is 20%, press twice is 50% light, press 3 times 100% lighting, press it on the 4th time it powers off. Press the mosquito switch button to turn on and off the mosquito bug killing mode. I'm about to go ahead and charge this thing up, put it out for tonight so we can see or hear the bugs zap on it. There's nothing like to get the bugs off from the bottom, so what you may have to do is just flip it up and then knock the bugs down. Alright you guys, so let me charge this thing and I'll catch back up with y'all. Alright you guys, it is pitch black out here. The only reason why y'all can see me in light is because of my indoor light. But here we go. It is fully charged. It's like 9 o'clock. I think it's a good time to go ahead and start the bug zapping show. So here y'all go. And I say on full power it lights up pretty good. This is lighting up the whole backyard. This is insane. So once again, you could barely see the yard. That's 1 hit, 2 hits, 3 hits. If you left your trash in the backyard or somewhere in the garage, you can use this to light up your area. Alright, I turned on the bug zapper. It's the next day, and I have to say that this bug zapper works. Now you have to remember to turn it off. You have to turn it off manually, and then it turns off. Alright, so this little thing is pretty cool. You can actually get a couple of these and it will be nice. It will do the job. You see the moss in there. I don't see no mosquitoes. I haven't seen no mosquitoes on none of my bug zappers that I reviewed yet. So yeah, I'll leave it like that. Other than that, we went over the light, we went over the functionality and everything with this. I'm about to charge it, and this will be used daily. Once again, I will put the link in the description to the website. I think it's wazerstein.com. But anyways, once again, I will put the website in the description if you want this. They do not sell this anywhere else but their website. So yeah. Other than that, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.